Good morning, guys. I have just woken up and you guys wanted vlogs, so I'm giving you vlogs. I'm going to show you how a day looks like, how I spend my Sunday, and how Sunday looks like in my life. So I just woke up and I can't really do without any tea, and I need some chai in my life. So now I'm gonna go make some tea for me, and I'll see you soon. And yesterday was my husband's MOD, which means he's not here today with me at home, and he had his night duty, so he'll be coming back after some time. And I just can't wait to meet him because I've spent the night without him. I don't really like being alone in this house. Come, let's go have some tea with me. माई टी इज़ रेडी। मेरी चाय तो तैयार है और मुझे मेरी चाय बहुत मसाले डाल के पसंद है, अदरक, गोल मिर्च, ये सब डाल के। तो मैं अभी पीने वाली हूँ थोड़ी सी चाय और एक दो मैरी बिस्किट उसके साथ। और उसके बाद आई हैव टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग अपॉइंटमेंट टुडे। तो मेरे क्लाइंट के साथ आज मेरी अपॉइंटमेंट है। इट्स एन ऑनलाइन रीडिंग। तो फ़िलहाल चाय पीने के बाद आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट। And ये करते करते my husband will also be back by the time I finish my tarot card readings, and then I'll go shower, change, and then have something for breakfast. So come, let's have tea together. तो ये है मेरी चाय और मेरी बिस्किट्स। मैंने मेरी मलाई फूंक दी है और साइड में रख दी है। मुझे मलाई पसंद नहीं है चाय में, अच्छा, आप लोगों को अपनी चाय कैसे पसंद है? मुझे तो मेरी चाय कड़क पसंद है और उसके साथ साथ मसालेदार। और क्योंकि यहाँ पे ठंडियाँ आ गई हैं, इट्स ऑलरेडी विंटर्स हियर, आई रियली लाइक माई टी क्वाइट स्पाइसी एंड आई हैवंट ब्रश्ड माई टीथ येट। आई नो इट्स, बट चलता है। आई डोंट रियली लाइक टू डू एनीथिंग बिफोर आई हैव हैड माई टी, सो या। तो अभी मेरी चाय ख़त्म हो गई है एंड आई हैव जस्ट ब्रश माई टीथ एंड बिकम फ्रेश। आई नो आई लुक अ बिट फ्रेश। सो नाउ आई हैव टू गो फॉर अ टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग। तो अभी मुझे जाना पड़ेगा। फ़िलहाल मैं इस चीज़ को कैमरे पे नहीं दिखा सकती बिकॉज इट्स पर्सनल एंड ऑल्सो अ बिट प्रोफेशनल, सो आई कॉन्ट रियली शो इट ऑन कैमरा। एंड मैं थोड़ी देर के बाद आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ एंड आई विल बी बैक विथ यू आफ्टर सम टाइम। जस्ट अभी मैं नहा के निकली। जस्ट फिनिश टेकिंग अ बाथ and put on my lens, you can see. And actually I put on these lenses because I have power. I wear glasses, but because of the corona I am not able to wear glasses because it gets all fogged up, so I am just going to go. And my husband is also back from work, so I'll show you what he's doing right now. That's him. He's just making breakfast. He's just arrived and it's around 9:30 in the morning and he's making breakfast and tea. Baby, hi, what are you making? क्या बना रहे हो? Oh, दूध उबाल रहे हो चाय के लिए? Alright, so since you guys didn't already know, my husband makes like the best food. He cooks really well. So अभी he's making breakfast. वो breakfast बना रहे हैं till the time. Come on, let's go and get ready. And after breakfast we're going to head out because today is Sunday and he's back at home. He'll be at home today, so we just want to go and spend some time outside. So our breakfast is ready. This is fried rice, veg fried rice with churpi. That's churpi, the local cheese, cottage cheese. And yeah, we're just going to have some good breakfast now. And we have just reached Lal Bazaar. It's pretty empty because it's early morning, and you can see that there's snow-capped mountains being seen. That's the beauty of living in the mountains, you know, in the hills. And we have already reached MG Marg, so we've been thinking to get some body massage. Not me, for him, because he's been working all night and he's having some muscle pain. So shall we go get some?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're heading for the body massage. Let's see what we're going to do after that. Maybe go and head out for some lunch. We just finished the massage and came out right now. Actually, I wanted to get a hair spa done and he wanted to get the massage. But then even I got a massage. So how was it? तुम्हारे कैसा था?
It was really nice. And
She was very good.
professional.
And he's really happy that he got the massage, and obviously it was a nice massage. So I think I was feeling more cold than enjoying the massage. So I didn't really, I just wanted to finish, get it over it and come out. So for me it was like okay, but he really had a good time. So I think now we're going to go and eat something. I'm really hungry.
Let's go to the
Cheers.
food affair.
Yeah, let's go and eat something. So if you're coming to Gangtok for the first time, Gangtok is full of pretty little cafes and restaurants. So if you're new here, you're going to find a lot of them, and it is full of, you know, scenic cafes. So you can just spend some time here at MG Marg doing things that you like, eating things that you like. What did we eat? Prawn. We had prawn and dragon chicken and
fish tikka.
Fish tikka. Okay, we had all of those. Right now we're just going to have a stroll along MG Marg, and I'm going to take you to a really cute cafe. Hi guys, came here to the travel cafe in development area Gangtok, and if you're new to Gangtok you should definitely try this. I have been seeing it on my Instagram since a long time, and I finally got the chance to come here. I'll show you how it looks, and the vibe is really good here. Forgot to mention, if you're a backpacker here and coming here in Sikkim, you should definitely try this cafe out, and they have a lot of staying options as well, so you should definitely come here. It was a beautiful day. We got a massage, had some lunch, had some coffee and everything, and we just reached back home. I removed my lens because there was something that went inside my eye, so it was quite uncomfortable for me. And now that we're home, we are planning to go out to a cafe which is really near to our place, and let's see. We might go out. I am leaving for my home soon. I'll be leaving for my hometown, or my Maika, as you can say. So we really want to spend as much time as possible before I go out. So maybe we'll just head out for some coffee or something. Hi guys, so we are ready. and up and about to go for dinner. Normally on Sundays we just have our lunch outside and we cook the dinner at home, but tonight we don't feel like cooking, and there's a cute cafe nearby which we really want to try. So we're going to go there for dinner and let's see how it goes. We are in Attic Lounge and Bar right now, and the scene from here is so beautiful, it's so pretty. You can see the view of Gangtok city from here, and it's night right now. So you know the lights are glimmering, it looks very pretty. That's the view of Gangtok at night from the restaurant when we are having dinner. Can you see those lights? Those are all houses. So pretty, right? So that's how we spend our Sundays most of the time. And what was that? What's that expression? And most of the times it's outside. So I'll see you guys with another vlog again. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, Polo.
Good night.